Machine Sentry Next Generation.
Another big feature change to Machine Sentry is the introduction of grids for various areas of the software, including assets, components, points, actions, and routes. Grids allow users to easily navigate them in order to find the information they are looking for. For example, let's start by looking at the Assets grid. Here we can use the search bar to search for any asset name or code that may appear in the grid below. We can also use the filters on the right hand side to reduce the number of visible assets to our needs. The example here showing only assets that are currently in alarm status. The menu button to the right of the filters allows the user to change which data columns they see within this view. As with all of Machine Sentry, each user has their own unique view. Selecting any of the headers at the top of each column will sort the column in question, and you can also order the columns to your liking in the menu and change column widths. All grids will auto filter based on the level that they first select in the hierarchy tree. These features are consistent across all other grid views such as components, points, actions, and routes as mentioned earlier. If you go into the administration section, you can see the same applies to both users and devices in use on site.
Machine Sentry Next Generation.